Hello everyone, welcome to IdeaBox Creations. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use the content reveal widget of PowerPack Elements add-on for Elementor. For this, you will need two plugins. First is the Elementor page builder and the second one is PowerPack add-on for Elementor. Make sure you have installed and activated both the plugins before you can start using the content reveal widget. First of all, open the page where you want to add the content reveal widget and open it using the Elementor editor. Now in the Elements section, look for the content reveal widget. Make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner of the widget. That means PowerPack's content reveal widget. Now drag and drop the widget on the page where you want to add it. This is what the default design of content reveal widget looks like. Let's go ahead and see how you can customize it. Starting with the content tab, you can change the type of content that you want to show. You can go with either plain text, or if you have an Elementor template ready, you can use that too. If you choose the type as content, you can type in the text that you want to show, or you can simply paste it in the text area. You can also enable or disable a separator that is displayed right above the read more button. And in the settings subsection, you can change the transition speed and the visibility settings for your hidden content. You can easily use the controls or the text field to adjust the visibility and the transition speed of your hidden content. Now for the buttons, you get the following customizations. The first option you see here is alignment. You can change the alignment from left, center or right, and you can add a custom label for your content reveal and unreveal CTA buttons. And if you want, you can add a custom icon to both buttons separately. And lastly, you can change the icon position as before or after the text. Now let's make some styling changes to a content reveal widget. In the style tab, you get the options to customize the content, separator and buttons separately. For the content, you can change the text alignment, color, background color, typography and padding just like any other widget. All the options here are pretty standard, so you can go ahead and make changes such as choosing your own custom font family, changing the font size, design, etc. Once you have made all the changes, we can move to the separator settings to customize the look and feel of the separator. Here, you can change the separator height and the background type. You can go with the standard gradient background or choose a solid custom background color. Lastly, you can make changes to the button such as size, button spacing, typography, text color, background color, etc. Let's go ahead and see how you can do this. Just like the content, all the options here are pretty standard, such as changing the typography, spacing, adding or removing padding, and changing the hover effects. So go ahead and make the changes that you want, and once you are done making all the changes, click on the update button to make the changes live. This is how our content reveal widget looks like after making all those changes. With all the customizations option available at your disposal, you can create multiple variations of the content reveal widget. If you found this video useful, do leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing Elementor related content.